We are going to do our favorite Mexican restaurant right now. Still, the dining still isn't open. And so what we're going to do is we're going to do what's called Nachos Rancheros. And basically all it is chicken, steak, and shrimp over nachos, over cheese nachos. So what we're going to do is we're going to cook it up like on some of our previous videos. We're going to throw all our meats on here. We're going to throw some onions, some green peppers, some mushrooms, get all that cooked up here, and then we'll take everything back inside and we'll do a bed of nachos and some white cheese over the top of it. Just get our chicken down there and get it going first. It takes the longest to cook of anything. Good steak here we're going to throw in here too. Again, one thing I like about the Blackstone is you can just kind of cook everything together here. We got our chicken going, get our steak going. Obviously we'll throw our shrimp on the very last because it cooks super fast. Ooh-wee. Hope that looked good, guys. Getting a good sear on all that meat. And again, with the meat being in strips, it doesn't take any time to cook over a hot griddle here. Okay guys, I went ahead and pulled all that meat off, the steak and the chicken. Throw on some onions and peppers here. We'll get these sauteed up. I'll go ahead and pull these off then. And lastly, we'll throw on some shrimp and some mushrooms. Got the cheese getting good and hot inside. And then we'll take all that stuff out and we'll build it all together. Now you could easily go ahead and put everything all together on the grill if you decided to. We just decided to cook a few things separate tonight in case we got some other people over, that way in case they wanted to pick out a few things that makes it a little bit easier for them. While our onions and bell peppers are finished up, we're going to go ahead and throw our shrimp on here and get it going, our mushrooms. Oops.
So we have a bed of chips, and then we're just going to put out some of the chicken and the steak. And then we'll put a little bit of our shrimp and mushrooms. And some onions and peppers. And then top it off with a drizzle of white cheese sauce.